Hello everyone! Welcome back to English Listening and Speaking channel. Don't forget to subscribe my channel for more videos every day. Hello everyone! Welcome to our English listening and speaking practice. Today, we are going to learn English through a simple and relaxing morning routine. This lesson is perfect for beginners and intermediate English learners. Please listen carefully. Try to understand every sentence. Don't worry if you don't understand everything the first time. Just relax and enjoy learning English. At the end of this lesson, you will learn many useful words, everyday expressions, and common conversations that native English speakers use every day. Let's begin. Waking up. It's 6 o'clock in the morning. The alarm clock rings. Emma slowly opens her eyes. She smiles and stretches her arms. She feels fresh after a good night's sleep. Emma. Good morning. Today is going to be a wonderful day. She gets out of bed. She makes her bed carefully. She opens the curtains. The warm sunlight shines into her room. She opens the window. Fresh morning air fills the room. She takes a deep breath. Emma. I love peaceful mornings. Vocabulary. Alarm clock. Wake up. Stretch. Curtains. Fresh air. Sunshine. Make the bed. Repeat after me. Good morning. I wake up at 6 o'clock. I make my bed. I open the window. Fresh air feels wonderful. Making breakfast. Emma walks into the kitchen. She is a little hungry. She opens the refrigerator. There are eggs, bread, milk, butter, fruit, and yogurt. Emma decides to make a healthy breakfast. She fries 2 eggs. She toasts 2 slices of bread. She pours a glass of orange juice. She cuts a banana into small pieces. She also makes a hot cup of coffee. Everything smells delicious. Emma sits at the table. She enjoys her breakfast slowly. Emma. A healthy breakfast gives me energy. Vocabulary. Breakfast. Toast. Fry. Juice. Delicious. Healthy. Energy. Listening practice. Listen carefully. Emma wakes up at 6 o'clock every morning. She makes her bed before leaving her bedroom. She opens the curtains and enjoys the fresh morning air. Then she brushes her teeth and washes her face. After getting dressed, she goes to the kitchen. She cooks eggs and toast. She drinks orange juice and coffee. She enjoys a healthy breakfast before going to work. Now, listen again. Emma wakes up at 6 o'clock every morning. She makes her bed before leaving her bedroom. She opens the curtains and enjoys the fresh morning air. Then she brushes her teeth and washes her face. After getting dressed, she goes to the kitchen. She cooks eggs and toast. She drinks orange juice and coffee. She enjoys a healthy breakfast before going to work. Speaking practice. Repeat after me. I wake up early. I make my bed. I brush my teeth. I wash my face. I get dressed. I make breakfast. I drink coffee. I eat healthy food. Every morning is a new beginning. Excellent job.